Hey folks, I'm here to save you some cash and time. I went out and tested 5 of the top chassis paints on the market, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money on products that don't deliver. I know how frustrating it can be to deal with rust and corrosion, especially on vehicles. So let's dive in and see which of these paints truly stands out and why. Product number 1, 2-in-1 Rust Converter and Metal Primer Black. Let me tell you about my experience with the SMAPHY 2-in-1 Rust Converter and Metal Primer. I picked this up after noticing some rust on my truck's undercarriage. The can promises to convert rust into a stable, protective finish, and I was eager to see if it lived up to the hype. First off, the application was surprisingly easy. I simply shook the can, and with a brush, I applied it directly over the rusted areas. No grinding or extensive prep work needed, just clean off any loose material and you're good to go. As I painted, I noticed the formula had a thick texture, which I found reassuring. It felt like it was really doing something. What struck me most was the matte black finish it left behind. It wasn't just about looks. This paint is designed to seal out moisture and air, which is crucial for preventing future rust. I let it dry overnight and I was amazed at how solid it felt. The next day I even tried hitting it with water, and while I expected some moisture to penetrate, it held up beautifully. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, this product is versatile. You can use it on various surfaces like chassis, undercarriages, and even equipment. It's heat-stable, water-resistant, and UV-resistant, making it ideal for different environments. Another major pro is the coverage. One can easily covers about 100 square feet. This makes it a great value for money. However, I did encounter a couple of downsides. The drying time, while not too bad, requires patience. If you're in a hurry, you might want to plan ahead. Also, the matte finish might not appeal to everyone. Some folks prefer a glossier look for aesthetic reasons. So why should you buy the SMAPHY 2-in-1 Rust Converter and Metal Primer? If you're looking for an easy-to-use solution that delivers lasting protection against rust, this is it. It's perfect for DIYers who want to tackle rust on their vehicles without needing a lot of tools or experience. Plus, SMAPHY offers a great customer service experience, ensuring you're satisfied with the product. Overall, I give it a solid recommendation for anyone needing rust protection that works and looks good. Product number 2, 2-in-1 Rust Converter and Metal Primer. Now let's move on to the Muse Fancy 2-in-1 Rust Converter and Metal Primer. I decided to give this a shot after hearing some buzz about its advanced formula. It boasts that it can instantly stop and seal rust while priming the surface, making rust repair faster than traditional methods. I had a few rusty tools lying around that needed some TLC, so this was the perfect test. Upon opening the can, I was greeted by a water-based formula that looked easy to work with. I grabbed a brush and started applying it to my rusted tools. The instructions mentioned that it works best if applied within 72 hours of opening, so I made sure to get on it right away. The application was smooth, and I could see the rust transforming into a stable black coating almost immediately. I loved that it didn't have any harsh fumes since I was working indoors. The durability of this paint is impressive. It claims to withstand temperatures up to 350 degrees F, and I put it to the test with a couple of my engine parts. After letting it cure, I was pleasantly surprised to see that there was no peeling or cracking, even when exposed to heat and some moisture. I also appreciate that it's designed for a variety of applications, from vehicles to marine use. Now let's discuss the pros and cons. One major advantage is its extreme durability and resistance to chemicals and UV rays. This makes it an excellent choice for those who work in harsh environments. The fact that it's eco-friendly is a big plus in my book. However, it does require multiple thin coats for the best finish, which might take longer if you're in a rush. So should you buy the Muse Fancy 2-in-1 Rust Converter and Metal Primer? If you're serious about rust protection and need a reliable product that's safe to use indoors, this is definitely worth considering. It's effective, environmentally friendly, and provides professional-grade corrosion resistance. Product number 3, 3-in-1 Rust Converter Paint for Metal. Next up is the Ilafoyo 3-in-1 Rust Converter Paint. I was really intrigued by its claim to convert, prime, and protect metal all in one go. I had a rusty old trailer that was begging for a makeover, so I decided to put this product to the test. The first thing I noticed was the white color of the paint, which was a bit different from the usual black or gray options. It promised a matte finish, and I was excited to see how it would look on my trailer. The application process was straightforward. I followed the instructions to prep the surface, just removing any loose rust. The paint went on smoothly and it dried relatively quickly. What I appreciated most was that it didn't have a strong odor, making it suitable for indoor projects. After applying the first coat, I could see that it was penetrating well into the rust, which is exactly what I hoped for. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the 3-in-1 formula is a huge time saver. You're not just painting over the rust, you're actively converting it, which gives you peace of mind. The versatility is another big plus. You can use it on various surfaces, automotive, home, and industrial applications. However, I did find that while it claims to cover 50 square feet, I needed to use a bit more to achieve a good finish on my trailer. So why should you consider the Ilafoyo 3-in-1 Rust Converter Paint? If you're looking for a time-efficient solution that simplifies the rust repair process, this product is for you. It's ideal for DIYers who want an effective and safe option without the fuss of multiple products. Overall, I think it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to protect metal surfaces from rust. Product number 4, 3M3584 Professional Grade Rubberized Undercoating. Moving on to the 3M3584 Professional Grade Rubberized Undercoating. I've heard great things about 3M products, so I was eager to see if this undercoating lived up to its reputation. I had an old pickup truck that needed some serious undercarriage protection, especially since I often drive on salt-covered roads in winter. The aerosol spray format allowed for a uniform and even application, which I appreciated. As I sprayed the undercarriage, I could see the thick rubberized coating take shape. This is important because it not only protects against corrosion but also dampens sound, which is a bonus for a quieter ride. Let's break down the pros and cons of this product. On the pro side, the comprehensive protection it offers is outstanding. It effectively safeguards against moisture and environmental factors that can cause rust. The sound deadening feature is also a game changer for those who want a quieter ride. However, I did find that the coverage could be a bit lacking. It's best to have multiple cans on hand if you're working on larger vehicles or extensive projects. So why should you consider the 3M3584 Rubberized Undercoating? If you're serious about protecting your vehicle's undercarriage from rust while enjoying a quieter driving experience, this is a top pick. It's trusted by professionals for a reason, and I wholeheartedly recommend it for anyone looking to extend the life of their vehicle. Product number 5, Magnet Paint and Shellac UCP9901 Chassis Saver Paint. Finally, let's talk about Magnet Paint and Shellac UCP9901 Chassis Saver Paint. This product caught my eye because it's advertised as a high solids chassis paint that's VOC compliant. I had an older car that needed some underbody restoration, so I figured this would be a great way to give it a new lease on life. When I opened the gallon can, I was surprised by the thick consistency of the paint. It felt robust, and I could tell it was designed for serious protection. Applying it was a breeze. One coat was enough to get a solid color, and it dried to a glossy finish that looked fantastic. I was particularly impressed with how well it adhered to the metal surfaces, creating a durable barrier against rust. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the high solids content means you're getting excellent coverage, and it's non-toxic, which is a significant plus for health-conscious consumers. However, one downside is that it's more expensive than some of the other options on this list. So why should you buy the Magnet Paint and Shellac UCP9901 Chassis Saver Paint? If you're looking for a long-lasting and high-quality chassis paint that's safe to use, this product is definitely worth the investment. It's perfect for automotive enthusiasts who want to restore and protect their vehicles. Overall, I think it's an excellent choice for anyone serious about rust prevention. After diving into these 5 chassis paints, I can confidently say they each have something unique to offer. Whether you need a quick fix, a professional-grade solution, or something eco-friendly, there's a product here for you. I hope my experiences help guide you in making the right choice for your rust protection needs. Remember, investing in quality chassis paint can save you money in the long run by preventing costly repairs. Happy painting!